Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Johnny Test from one of the coolest cartoons I've ever seen, and I think it's probably one of the best cartoons ever made. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eye, so it's going to be quite large. We're just going to draw in one circle first. Okay, and then we're going to come off to the side and draw another one, but just slightly smaller. And then once you have that, we're going to draw in the eyeball, so just come in. Just draw like a little egg shape. And if you want to, you can have him, look into a different direction. Right here, I'm just kind of drawing almost in the middle. And then from here, I'm going to draw in his nose. So right in the middle here, right on this eye, just draw like one slant, kind of touching the side of the circle. So come down right about here, and then I'm just going to draw his nose, just come out, and then just curl it. Alright, so it's a little bit strange. And then from here, let's draw in one of his eyebrows. So I'm just going to come right over his eye, just going to draw one line. And then I'm just gonna go up, draw, make it into like a little bar. Alright, and then from here we can draw in the other eyebrow. So I'm gonna continue this line here, just kind of give it a slight curve. And then from there I'm just gonna give it another line, another curve. I'll just close that off. Alright, so from his eyebrows, let's just draw his mouth. So his mouth is gonna be really easy, just right underneath this eye, I'm just gonna go curve side to side, right below the nose. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the face. So let's draw in the hairline first. It's gonna be a little bit easier this way. So I'm gonna come to the eye here. I'm just gonna go up, kind of flare out slightly, and then I'm gonna come across all the way to here. Just straight line across, past his eyebrow, and then I'm going to come down toward about the middle of the eye, and I'm going to go out. Okay, and then let's draw his ear. So from here, I'm just going to go up and then come down, and then just come in right around here. And then we can finish up the details. I'm just going to draw a little arc inside. Alright, so now we can draw in his face, because now that we have this point right here. So I'm going to come down right here for his cheek. And it's going to be a sharp turn here. So now I'm going to draw one line all the way across from here. So this one's a little bit tricky. You can come down to the middle like this first. And then now for his awesome looking hair, so we're gonna come out to the side here, and we're just gonna draw one line. So from his ear right here, I'm gonna curve up quite a bit, and then just kind of hook it back down. And then now I'm gonna draw the other side. So on the front here, I'm just gonna continue this curve. So this is gonna go out quite a bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna come in. And then now in the middle here, instead of drawing these, I'm going to draw the middle one first. So just kind of pick the midpoint right around here. I'm going to draw one slant like this. Just kind of come back down. And then now whatever spacing you have in here, I'm just going to draw one more strand. So this one's going to curve up, come down. And then this one's going to go over like this. Then come back down. Alright, and then we can add in, I think it's got some lines in here on the side. Just gonna draw 4 lines. Alright, so that's his head, and let's continue on to the body. And I think I draw his, I didn't realize his body was so small until I started sketching it. So this is gonna be a little bit small for a Sharpie. Alright, so we can draw his neck, so just gonna come down. close it with a slight curve. And then now I'm going to slant out for his shoulder here. And then in the middle here, we come back to the middle. Just kind of slant down. This is going to be his little vest. And then now I'm just going to give it some thickness here. So it's almost like 2 bars. And then in the middle here, just come up slightly, close that off for his shirt. Alright, and then for his sleeves here, we're just going to continue that, just kind of go out and then come back in. So go out, just come back in. And then we can finish up the little details. This is easy. We're just going to draw one line here. And then in the middle, his shirt's got that little pattern, that little symbol. So the easy way to draw that is just draw one triangle like this first. And then on top, just draw like a little V. And then we're just gonna come out and then just connect those. And you probably can't see all of it. So just basically 3 triangles. Alright, so now let's draw his arms. So his hands are really easy, his arms. So we're just gonna come out. Okay, so that's gonna be his wrist right here. So for his fingers, it's gonna be his thumb, curl it out, come back in, and then we're just gonna go down straight. And then this one, we're gonna come down straight as well, and then right toward the tip, we're just gonna curve it, just kind of connect that. And then we can draw in one little line for fingers. Alright, so the other side is kind of the same, but it's got a little wristwatch here. So come out. I'm going to close it off a little bit early. And I'm just going to add one section. And then one more on the outside for the watch. So that's the watch and that's the band. Okay, and then now for his hand, it's gonna be pretty much the same. So we're gonna come out for his thumb. And then I'm just gonna go out. And on the back here, same thing, I'm gonna come out. And then right at the tip here, I'm just gonna curl it in, connect that. And then again, I'm just gonna add one line for the fingers. All right, so let's draw in his legs and his pants, which is pretty easy. So we're gonna start in the middle first. In the middle, come down, you can make a little mark. And then I'm gonna draw in a little angle here. So this is gonna be the inside of his leg. So we'll come down quite a bit. All right, and then now we're gonna draw the outside. So it's a little bit harder on the outside because of the little pocket. So I'm just gonna come down. So here's gonna be one little pocket. We can add that in now. And then right about the knee area, he's got a bigger pocket here. So you can draw in like a little bracket like this. And then we're just gonna extend it out. Just kind of curve it out. And then we can add in the little flap. So just kind of come down in the middle and then go out. And then now we're gonna continue this line. Stop a little bit short, and I'm just gonna close it with a little curve like this for his shoe. And then we're gonna continue this curve, go out, close it, and I'm just gonna add one section for his sole. And I'm gonna add one line here, just for the details on his shoes. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So again, I'm gonna come down right around here, draw in a little pocket on top. Then now I'm gonna come in, let's draw like a little bracket. And then the outside here, just gonna go out and curl it back in. Same thing in the corner, go to the middle, and then go out. And then I'm gonna continue this, so continue that line again, and then curve for shoe, curve out, close it, And then one section again. And then lastly, the detail on his shoes, one line across. And that is it for this Johnny Test drawing. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.